Today I'm going to show you how to sync blocks in Notion. Ladies and gentlemen, right here in Notion, what we want to do is we want to create a new page, and I'm just going to call this synced blocks. And what you can do is use the slash, and you can just literally type in synced, and you'll find the synced block over here. Basically what's going to happen is you can either click, drag, and add existing blocks in here, or you can just hit that / again and add something inside there. Now I've added a to-do list, and what we're going to do now is go ahead and we are going to click on this copy synced block. Now once you've copied that, you can literally paste it wherever you would like to paste it, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say create new page, and this page is going to be the destination. For example, we're going to hit enter, and right here what we need to do is literally Control V, and you're going to be pasting your block in here. Now what's very nice about this is you can actually go ahead, click down here, and you can see who it's synced to and where it's coming from. You can also just copy this, and then there are some more options over here. Now what's actually happening if you go into your synced block, which is your original, whatever you are going to add in here, you will be able to now change on all of the other synced blocks. So for example, you want to add in an image here, that's now in there, and what you can do is go to that new space. So we've just added an image in over here, and if you go down over here to destination, you'll actually find that it is in here as well. Now of course you can interact with each one of these, so if you're going to add in something over here, it will also be added into the original.